सो हेलो गाइस, ट्यूटोरियल में आपको सब बताने वाला हूँ कि कैसे क्रोम के ड्रैगन गेम को हैक किया जाए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। In the description also you can have my info in the description, my Insta ID and Twitter handle, etc. So first of all we need to search anything, but I've mentioned also in the description that your data should be off. Okay, so let's search anything. let's I search for code with Harry. Also I want to say that code with Harry sir is a very good teacher for computer science students, etc. As I also mentioned in my previous video that I also used to learn from him, as he explained the things very in a very good manner. So let's search for it, but also it will not give any kind of output, as I mentioned. I have also said that that your data should be off. Okay, so let's search. It will show a dragon. Yeah, that's it. So let's right click on your from your mouse cursor. Yeah, inspect, click on inspect, and when this pop-up window occurs, this is the uh, backend HTML code. So to customize this dragon running file, you have to click on the console icon here, and you have to mention some commands like only 2 lines command. Okay, commands like runner dot instance underscore dot game over equal to brackets, close brackets, equal to greater than, curly brackets, open and close, and then when you enter, the next line will automatically get generated. Okay, so here also I want to say that this code is only generated for this tab only. If you shift to next tab, this file will not run for the next time. Okay, so now this is automatically saved in your this tab. Okay, so let's close the developer tools, close it. Now let's see. If I will run it, it will run till wherever you want, until you close your tab or etc, whatever you want. But this dragon will run without stopping at any kind of obstacle or anything else, either bird or etc. See, also you can see my score is 1121. See, also you can move this like this. Okay, we see this, no any. Also you can do this for other kind of websites also, like Pac-Man and also other websites. Okay, so let's close this tab, and also you can see if I will close the developer tools. Yeah, so this is the my new tab. So if I run this command on this, okay, I simply run this dragon file here, so you can see that it will stop at the obstacle. Okay, see, as you can see that it has stopped at this obstacle. So I've already said you that the console code that we have written is only for the particular tab where you have entered it. Okay, so let's close it. So this is for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Share, subscribe, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay.